Salute Trade Game team, what's happening, man? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time of the day it is you watching this. I hopped in here to have a quick discussion with y'all, talk about the current state of trading in general, just forex futures, everything, because it seems like we're constantly getting bad news, man. And I just want to talk about the reality of what's happening, what I think you should be doing, what I'm doing, and you know, what's going on. Okay, so let's start off with me, the announcement. I want to start going live trading with you guys. I want to pick 2 sessions. I already put the poll up in the Discord and y'all pick New York session. I want to pick something where we could trade private for private clients and something where we go public for just people in general who want to get into trading. And the reason I'm going to do that is I'm going to discuss all this now, what made me decide to do it. There's some things y'all didn't know. First of all, let's talk about my channel and my social media. I've been struggling to try and get people to subscribe and comment and interact with my content. And a lot of y'all don't know that behind the scenes, people been flagging my stuff. And I can't go live on YouTube because people flagged one of my videos because I made a short out of somebody else's content. And when you do that, there's an argument to be had of fair use. So from now on going forward, I'm just going to post original content on my channel. That's why with the shorts, I don't post like the memes and shit, because somebody went and striked me for that. And I know who it is. It's another guru who is like attacking people that are like endangering his money. And this is why I want to make this video, because this is so annoying that y'all don't understand what's happening. These people be trying to silence you, man. And I went through this when I was trading in people's group, and I would post my 100 pip trades and get blocked. And now it went from that to now people coming to my content and trying to block it. And y'all don't know that. And that's why I be telling y'all, get it while y'all can, because I don't want to really talk about it too much, because then people try to get our deals. And I had to you know, make sure everything was legit on my side. But yeah, my TikTok got banned. I had to get it back, and it just was a lot of shit I went through, guys. Y'all just don't know. And I want to talk about it. People are in desperate times. So over the weekend, I've been just observing and trying to figure out what should I do, like what's the next thing for me to do to keep this ball rolling. And that's the problem. I feel like we got to constantly try to do things to keep ourselves relevant to traders. And unfortunately, because of all these fake traders out here, it's hard for people like me. And I'm not here to cry about it. I'm just here to tell y'all the truth is very bad out here. You know, like these people keep getting exposed for faking payouts, faking trades. And that's why I thought I would be okay by just showing the actual trade. Like, people fake payouts and fake profits. You can't fake a trade. So I thought that was my way in. And boy, was I wrong. Nobody cares about real trading. And here we are. So Gnarly just showed me article that Oanda is being sold. And, you know, he was saying it don't look good for CFD, and we were having a discussion about that. And I have to let y'all know, it's not that it's because of CFD, because in futures, the same nonsense that Forex was doing, it's now happening in the future side. These brokers are starting to give away free this, free that. The challenges are crazy. There's more rules. It's starting to get bad everywhere with trading. And this is happening because of 2 things. MetaTrader. Once MetaTrader went down, because MetaTrader's still up, but it went down as far as marketers are concerned. They have to move to new platforms, and if they don't know how to trade, then when they go to these new platforms, they can't trade. You saw I put up a video of me and like 20 trades on Sway's Market to show that you can go other places and trade if you know how to trade. There's people in my group who I show how to trade who are trading on other platforms, but these gurus cannot do that. Why is that? Why do you not see them with the same $1 million on Trade Locker, $1 million on Sway, $1 million in all these other platforms, right? Because they're not real traders, man. And I want to bring all of this up. Inflation is kicking America's butt. It's so bad somebody climbed up a pole and tried to assassinate Trump, right? Y'all seen that, right? This is just the cry of the country, bro. Everything is bad. My family and I am originally from the South. I cannot believe the prices down there of things. Rent is double what it was the last time I was down south. I rode past this building, 1-bedroom apartments was $4.99. I rode past that building a year ago. That same sign for those complexes, it was $8.99. The same apartment within a year. It doubled in price damn near. It was 40%. I said, yo, this is down south. I got a family member paying $2,000 for an apartment down there, and it's not worth it. I said, yo, when did they start charging $2,000 in North Carolina? So saying that to say, man, everything is getting tight, and these brokers are feeling it because they said we had a rush when COVID happened. Everybody ate fat. Everybody got big pockets. People was taking PPP loans. People was spending their money buying all kinds of dumb shit. And now all that stuff is getting repossessed and people are losing it, right? And people are running out of money. So this is why I keep telling y'all, make good investments. Invest if you're trying to do trading, spend your money where it's going to be an investment. I keep telling y'all that because now everybody's going broke, bro. The brokers are getting out. They're selling their companies because the volume ain't there. It's not because people, put it like this, there's no business for them. They said we have 40 million retail traders in 2020. And out of that 40 million, over 30 million are gone already. It's not that people aren't still watching, because look at the numbers. These gurus are still 100,000 strong. When they post a video within hours, 10,000 views. People still there. The money ain't there. People don't have the money to trade no more. They're not trading no more. So the brokers are losing because there was a thing where these brokers were making money from the gurus. The gurus were sending people over and they were getting cooked. And there's no guru sending people over because the gurus are fucked right now. Because now they can't, the ones who was faking like they knew how to trade, they can't pretend like that no more because there's no broker where they could do that stuff they was doing on MT4. People was photoshopping withdrawals and payouts and stuff. Yeah, now I don't get why if you were photoshopping, you can't do that with these new brokers, but a lot of the nonsense that people accuse MetaTrader of allowing and doing with servers and shit, you can't, that's a new platform. So now you got to reestablish yourself and redo all these things. The volume is so low that these platforms don't have the money to do it because the traders are not there like they used to be. The clients are not there, guys. The clients are not there. Like the growth on my channel, I'm already at the end. Like they said, I missed the COVID rush. So now I'm not getting all those people that was sitting home watching. Okay, I accept that. I get that. But then they're watching these people and the money's drying up because these people are not really trading. They're corralling their subscribers over to certain places. And I can tell y'all, based off all these businesses closed, I just rode past a place in the projects where the McDonald's was. That McDonald's is gone. I said, yo, a McDonald's across the street from the projects in New York is gone? Do you understand what that's saying about the economy if that's closed? Like, yo, it's bad. So, Oanda being for selling, my surprise? No, I think you're going to start seeing a lot of people getting out because they got in when the getting was good. I look at this whole situation like, hey, I want to get out in a couple years. I don't want to be here 10, 20 years doing this. I want to get out of this. So I get it from a business perspective, but I had to make a video to tell y'all what's going on, bro. People don't got the bread like that no more. People made bad investments and now the investments and the money's drying up. People don't got it no more. People don't got it. That's why that man climbed that tower and tried to blow homie head off. People are broke, man. And people that have it, they're barely getting by now. They have enough to pay for their little trinkets that they like and maybe pay some bills, and that's it. So that's why I keep telling y'all, because I see this. If you're getting money, stack your money, man. If you're getting money, stack it. And if you got money, that you better invest in the right things, man. Make sure you're not spending it frivolously. A lot of this Forex shit, people was spending money on things just to be a part of it. It wasn't really yielding a return of any kind. And that's why we here like this. That's why we are where we are right now. So I had to make this video to tell y'all, hey, man, start investing wisely and stacking your money if you don't have nothing to invest in. Don't be out here buying these trinkets and all that shit. You see me, I'm in a champion shirt. I don't be trying, I got designer clothes. I don't even put it on. I don't be trying to be fancy. I be wearing the same hat. I got like 50 of these hats. And I be wearing the same hat. I don't even open the plastic and take out my new hats. For what? I'm like, yo, stack. I was about to go buy some new hats again. I said, man, them things are $66, $70 a hat. Let me chill out and stop wasting money like that. I don't need it. I'm not wearing the ones I got. It's so bad when I put on certain things, people be like, yo, what is that? Because I hold it so long, it'll go out of style and come back in style to the point where people like, yo, what's that? And I'm like, bro, this was hot. Like, it was hot for a second, and then y'all don't know what it is. I put it on now. They don't know what the fuck I'm wearing. I'm wearing the same stuff that y'all, forgot about. So I'm trying to tell y'all, man, be careful with your money. Be wise about how y'all spending it, man, because it's real bad out here. And yeah, Oanda is for sale, and that explains why. Remember I told y'all they kept banning me and I was having problems with them? That explains it now. Cause I was wondering, I'm like, why all of a sudden am I having trouble with my Oanda accounts? This explains it now. This does explain that. This definitely explains that. So I had to make this video when I heard that. And also I want to tell y'all, I wanted to make the announcement. I should be able to go live on my channel in a couple days. I told y'all, I know y'all didn't even know I was not able to go live. Somebody was like, how come you don't go live? I can't. And also I don't want to go live and two people be sitting there and I'm talking to myself. And then y'all be being very rude. You know I can see if people come in the room. Y'all be like, if the room ain't lit and jumping, y'all don't even stay in the room. Y'all leave. So I gotta start setting it up. So if you're watching this video, I'm gonna put a waiting list link up. And let me talk about this now, because some of y'all be really trying to get on my neck. If the link for some reason don't work, you have to let me know. I had two people get mad at me, message me, and then one of them rage quit the group and he was mad and he stopped speaking and all this because he was upset that the link expired because he was trying to get in the signals group. I didn't know the link expired, okay? I didn't know that. So if that happens, you have to tell me. Of course, I'm going to be more diligent about it, but understand something. This is a company that I'm running by myself. I do the coding, the development, the graphics, the editing. I do everything. So once in a while, I'll get help, but that's not all the time. You know, when I hire people for engineering purposes primarily, and that's very expensive. So I do primarily everything. So if you see something, you got to bring it to my attention, because I'm not knowing that, oh, my link expired for whatever reason. Like sometimes with trading, when you try to do business, some of these sites don't like traders, so they'll ban the account, or they'll flag it, or they'll delete it. I tell y'all this all the time. Banks and establishments don't like dealing with Forex futures trading, period. They don't like it. Anything with trading, they don't like it. So sometimes, like, I'll put something up and then I'll get an email that they took it down and I didn't even know that happened. Because this trading stuff has a bad name. There's a lot of scams and people that just made it bad for people. So understand that, man. So when I do that, just know that that's why. I'm not knowing the link is expired. Why would I sit here and make a video and then put the link and it expires? I'm telling y'all, click the link, and I'm thinking y'all ain't clicking and the link is not working. So if you see that when you watch this video, just say, hey Jimmy, the link ain't working, and I'll put the right link up. I don't know that. And I'm not that great at this marketing shit. I'm thinking if I show you me in a trade and I'm consistently trading successfully, that's gonna be enough. I'm not thinking I gotta kiss your ass, chase you down, tell you, hey, this is real trading. You have 2 eyes and ears. You can look at what I'm doing and determine if this is real or fake. You get what I'm saying? So I be thinking that since I'm showing you it's real, I'll show a real trade, I'll show a live account. What more? And it'll be a large trade. What more? What more do I gotta do? So y'all be really wanting real traders to go above and beyond to get you to patronize them, when you should want that, because most of these people, look at what's happening, and it's time and era. Everyone's getting exposed, man. The brokers is getting exposed, the prop firms got exposed, and now the grooves is getting exposed. People faking all these trades and these payouts and shit. For what? So you should want people to show you these trades. So with that being said, I'm gonna try to go live on private and public. I want some private clients. I'm gonna make a private mentorship where we trade live, and I'm gonna have a free one where we do it. I just got to determine what sessions I can do it, because I like to do a lot of my personal stuff early in the daytime, and if I'm doing New York, that affects that. But I could probably work around that and do like the first 2 hours in New York, or maybe a little London, a little New York. I could probably figure it out. But the thing is, I need y'all to like really get on board. So sign up for it when I post it, and I'll let y'all know like what I got going on and you know what I pick. If you're in the Discord, go to the vote tab and vote. I'm gonna repost the vote, but pretty much all y'all pick New York session in the Discord. And leave a comment here and let me know. Like, let me know what sessions y'all want to trade for public and private. Just let me know the sessions and I'll determine what I'll do public and what I'll do private. But I don't want to be trading live and nobody's there, because for some reason when I go live, I don't get too many people coming in there, and I'm not gonna be sitting in there for an hour talking to myself. It's just that's just something I don't like and don't want to do. So if y'all are serious about trading, for people who got the robots, I'm gonna do one session with the robots, and then I'm gonna do one session manual. I already set up the account. Like I said, the ability to go live on my channel, I should have that back in a couple days, and we could get started ASAP. So just let me know in the comments what sessions y'all want to see me trade live. And for the people who have the robots, we gotta pick a session and time where we could trade with those two, because honestly, with my swing trading, that's 99 to 95, 90% robots that get me in those trades, because my market conditions are what they are. I'm strict about conditions on trades. Like, people be like, hey, I entered because I thought. Nah, I have a strict set of conditions, and I coded them into my robots, and that's why I make them. So if I enter a swing trade off the robot, I trust my conditions because they're mine, and I'm gonna take that trade, and usually that's how I probably trade. Now, if I see that I'm stopped out, I'm already knowing my formula is 30 pips for a swing trade. So I'm risking 30 pips to get 100 or more. My goal is usually anywhere between 100 to 450 pips on that trade. So anytime I'm not swing trading, after 40 pips, I move my stop loss to break even, and I'm usually in a good position. So I want to start showing that to you guys, and y'all able to actually see the process, how it's done, and what's happening, what's going on for yourselves. That way, y'all will know what's happening. So let me know what sessions y'all want to see me do that on, and I'm gonna take all this data over the next couple days, and I'm gonna set everything up, and I'm gonna put a link in here for y'all to sign up and ask y'all a couple questions. I'm gonna ask y'all what sessions y'all want to see. Do y'all want manual? Do y'all want automated? Like, I'm gonna teach people how to set up the robots for the best trades. Like, if you're a swing trader, scalper, I'm gonna start recommending what type of robots you may need for people who ask all the time. I like for y'all to determine what type of trader you are, because once you buy the robot, that robot's specifically going to do this. Now, can you trade it on any time frame and any pair? Yes, you could. But if you want the best settings, you should respect what I'm telling you the robot does. If you buy a scalping robot and you try to swing trade, yes, you can, but you're actually doing something that wasn't designed for. So why are you doing that? You're just making it a little bit harder for yourself. So with that being said, leave a comment and hit the link and let me know what y'all want. And if you're in the Discord, just vote, and I'm gonna set everything up. And I know y'all didn't know that people was trying to strike my content, but y'all should have had common sense enough to know that what I'm doing, people wouldn't like that, especially the way I'm flaming brokers, the way I'm helping other people flame these brokers and prop firms. Y'all see that I'll be posting when people pass challenges and stuff like that. Haven't done it in a little while because I've just been too busy, but they don't want that. Trust me, they don't want that. And brokers are hitting me up now because they're offering me these weird contracts where it's like, it would be in my best interest when I do these deals, right, for y'all to actually lose, because I would make money. I got 2 offers like that, and of course I didn't take them, but now I'm starting to see what goes on in this industry. So you definitely want to be careful how you invest your money. And I'm sorry I went off and on topic, but just know that. Be careful where you invest your money, because right now people don't have it, and in the trading industry, people losing their bread, man. People don't have it like they used to. People be having some real small accounts. The funding is funny, so people are getting not as funded as they used to be. I'm not as funded as I used to be. You know what I mean? I just started back getting funded. And yeah, so like I said, I'm expecting to see more businesses go up for sale. I kind of understood it. The PPP money's running out. Inflation is killing, and people are just not trading. People don't have the money to put in accounts like they used to. So this shouldn't really surprise people. I've been telling y'all this. I've been trying to prepare y'all for this if y'all follow my channel. And if y'all want to start trying to learn how to really trade, hit that link. Hit the link and sign up, and answer the questions about what sessions and stuff, so we could get to it, because most of these people are charging y'all, and it's okay. People got to make money. I'm gonna have to charge for certain services, of course, too, but at the end of the day, make sure when you spend that money, it's returning on something. Like, you're getting something out of what you're spending. You're not just spending it to be in the club. You know what I mean? People spending money just to be in the Discord and shit is cool, because but what are you getting out of those big investments? Because some of y'all spending a lot of money, y'all don't realize it, to the point where what you're spending is a bill. You know what I'm saying? You're spending money on a bill. $50 a month, yeah, that's not a lot, but it's still $50. You know what I'm saying? That's a bill. You could be paying a bill for that. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, and salute Oanda, man. That does explain. I kept telling you I was having a problem with Oanda, right? And when I say these things, people act like I'm crazy. I was like, why they keep suspending my account? Now I know why. They selling that company, bro. Yep, they're selling Oanda. Let me look at this again. Let me just look and check. This is crazy to me. Oh, he just sent me another message. I'll save that for another time, but I just want to show y'all this, if you can see it. I'm gonna let this pop up on the screen. Give me a second. There we go, right there. They selling Oanda, man. And this explains it, because I kept telling y'all, I said, yo, man, I had a lot of problems with this account. I'm having a lot of problems with this. I have a lot of problems with that. I'm having problems. I'm having this. I'm having that. And people acting like I'm crazy. People was acting like I am crazy. And no, I was never crazy. How about that? I was never crazy, guys. So anyway, I'm in the video here, man. And remember, what do I always say at the end of all my content, man? TGO, invest in yourself before somebody else do it. Start making good investments. And I ain't even gonna have, I don't think I should have had to say this, but I'm gonna say it anyway. Of course, the software is a good investment. Why? Because you have it forever and it's gonna always show you what price is doing. That's a good investment. Stop investing in bullshit. Invest in things that's gonna have results. You wanna know what's going on with price? Buy some of my software. That's pretty much what we do. We chase price. You know, that sounded like marketing, but it's just the fucking truth. I'm mad at y'all, man, that just people just getting cooked out here and just they getting themselves cooked out the game. There's so much more you can do with that money, man. Anyway, I'm out of here. Peace.